Your dream property is our mission. Mamma Mia! Location behind 5-star hotel that is a ready set. 700 meters away from the Patiala Road, zirakpur. Eye-catching product 5 BHK Spanish villa. यहाँ पे आप अपना टेबल चेयर लगा के आप सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट में टी कॉफी पी सकते हैं. 3-tier security in here wherein you can have thumbprint, you can have your passcode, and you also have a key on it. Okay, personal independent lift, beautiful stairs you have, beautiful drawing room, your own personal mini theater, family lounge in here, dining room, beautiful kitchen that you can get for yourself. These are the adjustable things. A guest bedroom, ये पानी कभी भी आपके घर के अंदर नहीं आएगा. The master bedroom I'm gonna show you here. Also on the second floor you have a third bedroom. Now on your third floor you also have a fifth bedroom. Washrooms that you are seeing all so far, you can get it as it is, as you can see them. No changes would be done. The most amazing thing that your own personal bar, beautiful garden area, gazebo with a jacuzzi, a clubhouse, private garden. Do not forget to subscribe the video and ring the doorbell. Hi friends, welcome to your channel Mission Property. So Mission Property आपको हर बारी कोई ना कोई बहुत ही बढ़िया वीडियोस लेके आता है, आपको नए प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाता है. So today Mission Property is coming with one of the eye-catching product that is a 5 BHK Spanish villa. You can see the elevation over here. So the view over here where I'm standing over here, it's a parking for you. यहाँ पे आप अपना टेबल चेयर लगा के आप सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट टी कॉफी पी सकते हैं. You can park your 2 cars. You have a personal space of your vehicles over here. So this is our main entrance. I'll show you the best part in here. You are having this 3-tier security in here wherein you can have thumbprint, you can have your passcode, and you also have a key on it. Okay, let's go in. Alright, so you can see it's a beautiful interior that have been done in this villa, and so we do also have a personal independent lift. Now this lift goes to all the floors, including everything you have. You can see here the beautiful stairs you have. So here we have a beautiful drawing room with 7-seater sofa. आप देख सकते हैं, it is also consisting of a beautiful 4 ceiling over here. Now I'll show you the very most amazing thing in here, that is your own personal mini theater with a bar. Along with that, you can just give a look to it. Along with the mini theater, you can also have a family lounge in here. You can see that. And with all of this on the ground floor, you also have a powder room attached with a washroom. Now let me take you to the first floor here and see what you can get the best thing. Now on the first floor, I'm going to show you the best part, the dining room. You have a dining room in here. And along with that, you can see it's a kitchen. It's a beautiful kitchen that you can get for yourself. I'll show you some beautiful things here. These are the adjustable things. You can always adjust it like you want to, according to your things. And onto the first floor, you also have a guest bedroom. You can see that. Also, you are having an attached washroom with your guest bedroom. Also, you have a backyard along with this. Let me show you. अब इसकी सबसे बढ़िया खास बात ये है कि ये लो ग्रेडेड बना हुआ है। कोई भी अगर आप यहाँ पे वॉशिंग मशीन रखते हैं, धोने कपड़े धोते हैं या फिर यहाँ पे बारिश आती है, ये पानी कभी भी आपके घर के अंदर नहीं आएगा। ये पानी यहीं से यहीं निकल जाएगा। So now we are on the second floor. Let me show you the master bedroom. I'm gonna show you here. Please give a look. And also you have cupboard in here along with the attached washroom. Also on the second floor you have a third bedroom. Give a look to that as well. Along with the attached washroom and a balcony. Now I'm going to show you all about the third floor, that what good things you can have on your third floor. It's again a bedroom. With attached washroom and a cupboard you can have in here. Now on your third floor you also have a fifth bedroom. I'll show you this as well. Now on this fifth bedroom you also have a cupboard along with the attached washroom. And do remember this thing, washrooms that you are seeing all so far you can get is as it is as you can see them. No changes would be done. Also you have a balcony in this as well. So किसी भी फ्लोर पे जाओ आपको balcony मिलेगी. It's not done yet. I'll show you the best part of this villa in here. The most amazing thing that I myself would love to be there. Come on, let me show you that. Now we are on the top floor. I'll show you what the best thing I was talking about. Do you see this? You have your own bar, your own personal bar. You can use it the way you want to. You can have your drinks, party with your friends and enjoy the noon and everything. And above that, I'll show you a beautiful garden area, and which consists of a good, sofas and everything. You have a beautiful wooden tile in here. Also with that, सबसे बढ़िया चीज जो मेरे को लगी अभी तक इस विला के अंदर, that is gazebo with a jacuzzi. Mamma mia! And one more thing, guys. This lift that you are seeing here, which is an independent lift, as I told you in the beginning, this lift is connected from the ground floor to the top floor. So अभी तक जो आपने देखा है, so yes, now this is a 5-story, most beautiful, luxurious villa that you just had a look to. Now I'll tell you, this villa is first of all a gated township, and along with this you will be getting a clubhouse, a kids playing area, a private garden, and everything that you can desire of. You are getting everything with this villa. So not forgetting about the location, so I'll tell you, this villa lies behind 5-star hotel, that is the Radisson. So it is just 700 meters away from the Patiala Road, Zirakpur. And also a sports complex does lie near to this villa. And this sports complex is not just a normal sports complex. It is made in 23 acres of land. So you can avail it for yourself. You can send your kids to play in here and you can nourish them. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe the video and ring the doorbell. Your dream property is our mission. Thank you.